In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a branch in Zoho Books. If you're looking to add more structure to your accounting by managing different locations of your business, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. First, we need to ensure that the Locations feature is enabled in your Zoho Books interface. To do that, go to your settings and then navigate to Organization. There, you will find an option labeled Locations. Click on it, and you should see an option to enable locations. Click Enable Locations, and just like that, your current organization setup will become the primary location. It's important to note that once you've enabled the Locations feature, you won't be able to disable it entirely. However, you do have the flexibility to deactivate or delete individual locations as needed down the line. Now that we've got the Locations feature enabled, let's move on to creating a new location. This is where you can really start to customize and organize your business's various operational areas, whether they're different business units or warehouses. Once you've enabled locations, simply click on Add Location. Here, you will be presented with several fields to fill out, starting with the location type. You'll need to select whether this new location is a business or a warehouse. Choosing the correct type can help you manage your resources and transactions more effectively. Next, provide a name for your location. This should be something specific that clearly distinguishes it from other locations, such as Downtown Store or North Warehouse. If this location is part of a bigger structure, think of it like a warehouse operating under a main store, you'll have the option to select a parent location. This hierarchy helps in maintaining a well-structured organization within Zoho Books, making it easier to track results and manage finances. You'll also need a primary contact for your new location. This could be a manager or someone in charge of operations there. Having a designated primary contact ensures that any communication or issues can be swiftly addressed. And finally, you'll want to choose or create the transaction number series for that location. This is crucial for organizing and keeping track of transactions individually for each location. It keeps records cleaner, which can be incredibly helpful during audits or financial assessments. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, proceed to click Save. Congratulations! A new branch has now been successfully added to your Zoho Books account, allowing for more granular control over your business's finances. By following these steps, you will not only streamline your accounting processes, but also enhance your ability to manage multiple business locations seamlessly within Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for more detailed assistance.